All right, hey guys, welcome to the hopefully the production video for stop motion animation, your immigration story. That's a lot of shuns right there, isn't there? All right, so here's the idea, and let's face it, if I can do it, then you guys can do this because you're way better at this stuff than I am. It's really basic. So you've got your Google slide presentation open, right? And you're just going to use the slides as each frame of your story, so you can kind of see as I click through these how our friend Wing Sue moves, right? How the ship moves across the ocean. And then how he moves on there's the old email notification. That's unfortunate, but you can see how he moves to North America, right? Like it's not that hard. Basically, really all you have to do is a few steps. You need to find the symbols for your immigrant, the country in Europe they're from, the United States, maybe Ellis Island, whatever else you think you need to go to put in yours to tell your story, okay? But you want to put them in, and then all you're going to do is you're going to create a slide, let's say like this one, and if I want to move Wing Sue again, I'm just going to duplicate that slide, and on the second one, I just drag him a little bit closer to the water because that's where he's headed. So if you were to look at these in really like slow motion, there he is, and he's moving a little closer to the water. That's all it is. And then all of a sudden the boat shows up, and I move him slide by slide, just slightly on top of the boat until he's fully on board, and now we're going to start sailing away. And all I did here was I shrunk the size of China to make it look like it was going off in the distance, and brought Hawaii in from the right-hand side and made it bigger. And then that's kind of a bad jump there, I suppose. But we're at Hawaii now, okay? We're going to be at Hawaii for a little bit. There's several slides that are the same, and then all of a sudden here comes my gold text box from California. So I have these in here. These are all identical just so I have a little bit of space to talk over my video, and then we're going to take off from Hawaii again. Same thing. It's just every slide's a little bit different, and as Hawaii gets farther away, it gets smaller, and here comes the United States in from the right, and you can see all of that. And then I dropped in a pin for Angel Island, and I did the same thing. It's really pretty simple, pretty easy. The key is to find your symbols for each thing: your immigrant, ship, Europe, your country, the United States, maybe Ellis Island, like those things as you create this. So you should be able to figure this out. I did this in a very short amount of time. So I'm confident that you guys who are smarter and better looking than I will do this as well and do an even better job. So there you go. If you have any questions, please ask. Thanks, fam.